Hi, I'm Ren Taylor, Product Manager for Da-Lite, a brand of Legrand AV. We're here today to talk to you about Parallax, our premium lineup of ALR-based screen surfaces. Our true optical-based solution for ambient light rejection is Parallax Pure. Today we're excited to talk to you about our new lineup of surfaces, Parallax Stratos, a contrast-based ALR solution for large-scale applications. Parallax Stratos 1.0 is a 1.0 gain surface with a 30-degree half angle and 60-degree viewing cone. This surface is up to 80% ambient light rejection capable, which is great for images up to 16 feet in height for resolutions that are up to 4K compliant with laser projection or even traditional lamp-based projection. Parallax Stratos is available in our core lineup of fixed frame and electric screens from Da-Lite. We're excited that this new offering of ambient light rejection from Da-Lite will allow you to expand your portfolio for ambient light rejection into larger scale environments like conference rooms, higher education, auditoriums, house of worship, large venue, and even corporate lobbies. In many projection environments, a traditional white projection screen like Da-Lite's DayMat has been used as the standard projection surface. But now, with room design changing in AV, we see the need for ambient light rejection to be at the forefront of project design. Surfaces like the Parallax Pure and the Parallax Stratos allows you to see more color, more contrast, and brighter images in environments where you normally thought of projection as difficult before. We can't wait for you to experience this new surface innovation from Da-Lite. For more information about the Parallax family, including Parallax Pure and the new Parallax Stratos, find us at legrandav.com, see your local sales representative, or our customer care team.